Omar, O2 and Shan, GBG, Guy Burst Gal. So we're back for another race. This time I have...
championship one.
Yes, it is the championship one. I have Henry from Thomas the Train as the green arrow. And Shanna has...
Thomas.
Good old-fashioned
Thomas.
So this is the Thomas baby spin wheel. So it's gonna be interesting to see if that baby spin wheel can move fast enough to beat the green arrow. I would say no. I'll even give her a handicap. I'll back up just a little bit to see what happens. I think Yoshi is eating ice, so he's gonna be okay. Runners are racers to your mark. All right, up. Feeling good? Are you ready? Runners to your mark. Get set. Go! Oh my goodness. Go! Thomas was a little too heavy in that round, so
you're the winner.
The winner, even though I didn't hit the door. So what we learned is the smaller cars go a little bit faster than the bigger ones. So
hey, who said that earlier?
Good match. All right, well, always leave us a comment and let us know if you have any racers that you want us to race. We'll get some more and we'll continue to run. Until next time, subscribe and we'll see you later. Sayonara.
Bye guys.